Hey guys, TechHD2 here, and today I'm back with another Lego. That was horrible. Oh god. Hey guys, TechHD2 here, and today I am back with yet another Lego vending machine. I know what you're thinking. It's done one already. Unfortunately, I don't have that to hand to show you, but I really should have thought that before I did this video. Anyway, before we go any further, I, again, didn't make this by myself because I'm too lazy to think up of my own ideas. Oh, actually, no, that's not true. I did actually make a video. If you hear a sound in the background, that's just a notification telling me I have a new email. Hooray. Hooray for notifications when you're trying to record a video. But no, I'd like to give a shout out, I guess, to the people who came up with the design for this, called Cheesybrickstudios and McCoy Builds. McCoy Builds, failing to speak English. No, McCoy Builds actually posted a tutorial on his channel as to how to make this. You can go to his channel and check that out if you want. And Cheesybrickstudios actually had the idea of which he wanted to have a go, and I will credit both in the description. So, thanks motorbike, that was well now, whilst I'm trying to record a video. Really? Oh well. I know. This is quite a cool machine. If you'll notice, there is no money slot, unless you're thinking it's this. It isn't. This is not the money slot, and that is not a money holder. That's just there for purely for decoration. Now, this machine actually dispenses a sort of Vimto Starburst type thing. I don't know if it has a proper name. Vimto candy, whatever it is. Now, the machine has jammed on me a few times, but hopefully it'll work. The answer to that is nope, it's not working. There you go, it should work now. You serious? Ah. Okay, perhaps it's overloaded. Really? Really? Just you saw nothing? You did not see that at all? You probably didn't because my hand was in the way. Ah, lol. Oh well. Machines are machines, and this one is fairly new, so it does have some teething issues. So, it's not working. There we go. That's the Vimto Starburst thing of which it dispenses. Yeah. I don't know if this has a name, but oh well. Just put that over there. So far it holds 2 on this bit, but I might extend that so it holds more. I might do that later tonight, actually. Oh well. Let's just see. Saying it has dispensed another one. So all in all, it can hold 2, as I said. These 2. That's what it can hold at the moment. So I'll just put those aside. And how it works is it's this lever, a small clever contraption inside. First, I'm going to show you how to reload it. So, up to the top, take this bit off. Grab the Vimto Starburst things. I have no clue what they're called. Absolutely no clue whatsoever. You just put those in there, like that. I do require a 3x5 gap when you're building the machine. For example, here, that's a 3 stud gap, so it can fit like that. Okay, now I will show you the mechanism. So if I just take a few pieces off, actually quite a few, put all that aside, and there it is. that is the mechanism. It consists of two parts. This bit, the base, and this thing. Now this bit has broken many times, including earlier in this video. Yeah, I really hate that bit of the machine. It's so flimsy. What happened is a Vimto Starburst. I'm just going to call it a Starburst for now. I know it's not, but I really don't know the name of these. And that's just broken. Yeah, I really don't know the name for these, so if someone in the comments can tell me what they're called. I know they're a Starburst thing, but obviously they're not called Starburst for copyright reasons. But also, this is not a sponsored Vimto video. This is just what I had at the time to build it around. But still, as you can see here, the Vimto would get to here, like that. And then it would land here, and what you do is you push this bit forward, it falls down the hole just there. You probably can't quite see that, just there, and go down to there, and it would slide out here. So overall, yeah, it's a pretty nifty little contraption. I quite like it. Apart from this bit, that's an absolute pain, as it jams every 5 minutes. Sometimes it jams more than once. But, alright, apart from that, it's a pretty cool, fun machine. I really enjoyed making it. Again, much like my other vending machine, it is multicoloured, as I don't have enough pieces of the right colour and enough pieces in total to actually build these. So I just grab whatever random piece I can find, which is what I did for this. So, anyway, yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Again, credit to both Cheesybrickstudios and McCoy Builds, both for ideas for this. McCoy Builds actually came up with a design that he saw on a Cheesybrickstudios video. Obviously, I copied it, and I have to give them credit, because if not, I think they'd be quite mad at me. So, yeah, credit to those for thinking up the design. It's pretty nifty, and I quite like it. So yeah, as I said, I do copy the designs from YouTube, as I'm, well, just too lazy to build it myself. And obviously, if I put them in a video, I do give credit to the people that make them, as I don't want them being mad at me. So yeah, as I said, credit to Cheesybrickstudios and McCoy Builds. Credit to those two people. That is an awesome machine, I like it. Yes, you can see my hands. Hello. But still, that's enough yakking from me. So, from me and the machine, goodbye. Okay, so as you can see, the machine's jammed again. Right, I'll have to start that one over. Take 453. So, the machine is a good build, and it works like that, and it dispenses the Vimto Starburst thing. It's just gotten stuck. What am I going to do with this machine? What am I going to do with this? Stupid thing. Stupid machine. Actually, no, it's not stupid. It's pretty good, but yeah, it breaks down a bit because the bit inside is way too flimsy. Right. Next take.